You know, maybe I should have put this on YouTube, but sometimes things happen in this industry that you really gotta understand that if you don't play the game right, you can lose everything. I lost my family, getting divorced, lost my home, all in a matter of a day. A whole week kind of built up to it. And the worst part of it is I don't know why. I don't know what happened or why she didn't want to fight to keep our marriage together, why she wouldn't give me the opportunity to fight to keep the marriage together. And it's because of this job that I'm somewhat sane. This road, this highway, has a way of holding you hostage and keeping you normal, but the same way it can take things away from you. This highway, when you lose everything, it's the only thing you really got in life. And I don't have answers. All I got is a Facebook message saying it's over, and then she blocks me. Be careful. On how you play the game. Because if you don't play it right, it can truly end your marriage, your happiness. It can end everything. All for what? I took this over the road position because local just doesn't pay enough to support my family. And she told me she was good with it. That everything was good. Didn't have a problem with it at all. So, what happened? That's the $1 million question. What happened? I was pulling in better money. Still pulling in good money. Apparently money's not a thing to pay bills or anything like that. The week I was home, I tried to spend time with them. The final night that she was out, she was with somebody else. While I was home. I told you all about the first time I got married and how it ended. And I think this is just karma hitting me. I think this is just some messed up way for karma to push at me. Hold on to your family, cherish them. Don't let this company, don't let your job take over. Don't let the highway take over, because it can, and it will shackle you, and it will hold you on the road. And when you think you can handle it, when you think it can be fixed, it can. It can't. It takes a real strong woman to actually be there for you through thick and thin. They can say that they are, but really at the end, are they? If you find yourself a woman, find somebody to team up with at the least. Find someone willing to fight to keep your marriage alive and willing to do whatever it takes to keep things going. If I would have known 5 years ago this is how my life would have turned out, I would have done it. I don't have any other thing to do. I'm not good enough for anything else, and I don't know what else to do in life. This truck driving just has me. This is all I got. And it's the only thing that holds me down like it's a fucking drug. And I guess that's the best way to compare it to, is a truck, because it does take away your family. Even when you want to fight to keep it, it just takes it away. I know. I probably shouldn't post something like this on YouTube, but I just want the message to be heard. I want you guys to understand that. Fight for your family, because this is what happens. This is the emotional stress that, the emotional heartbreak that can happen to you while you're on the road. It really can affect your life. Don't let truck driving take over your life, because it's not worth it. It's not worth it. That's all I gotta say.